This is going to be a video introducing you to quadratics and also reviewing how to multiply two binomials when you're changing an expression from a product to a sum. Now you're probably asking me, or asking yourself, what is a quadratic? Up to this point in the book, we've been working with straight lines, and those straight lines have been in the form y equals mx plus b, where b is your y-intercept and m is your slope. Here's a graph of a straight line that has a y-intercept of positive 6 and a slope of down 1 over 2. The equation for this line is going to be y equals negative 1/2 x plus 6 because my y-intercept is 6 and my slope is negative 1/2. Quadratics are written in the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. This is what a graph of a quadratic will look like. It's kind of a U or V-shaped graph that is symmetrical, meaning that it goes down at the same rate that it's going to go back up. The equation for this graph is going to be y is equal to 4x squared minus 6x minus 4. In Chapter 5, we took quadratics that were written as products and wrote them as sums by using a generic rectangle. We were multiplying binomials by binomials. If you remember, what we did is we made a generic rectangle, and one of the dimensions of that generic rectangle would be one of my binomials. In this case, I'd make 2x minus 5 my horizontal portion of my generic rectangle. So I put a 2x down there and a minus 5 in the next area. My other binomial is 3x plus 2. That's going to be my vertical portion of my generic rectangle. So I had to put a 3x there, and I put a 2 up here. Now when I multiplied, I just found the area of each of my boxes of my generic rectangle. 2x times 3x is going to be 6x squared. 2x times 2 was equal to 4x. 3x times negative 5 was equal to negative 15x. And 2 times negative 5 was equal to 10. Negative 10. So the product of 2x minus 5 times 3x plus 2 was actually equal to 6x plus 6x squared plus 4x minus 15x minus 10. And now I can combine my x family, which is 4x, and negative 15x, which makes a negative 11x, and write that down as 6x squared minus 11x minus 10.